When we want to open a file that has been saved in our server or in a shared drive, because of the changes that Microsoft have imposed upon us, we now need to do this in a slightly different way. What I've done here is I am in my OneDrive in Glow, as you can see on the browser. And I have created a folder called Server Files just for the purpose of this, but obviously you'll already have created various folders within your OneDrive so that you know where you want it to go. I'm going to double click that folder to open it, and you can see there's nothing in it at the moment. I'm then going to navigate to my folder, which is in my shared drive. You can see in this case I've picked Gala Hill, and there's the piece of work that I want to work on. So I'm simply going to click that until I see the copy sign appearing, and then I'm going to release it. That will then appear in my OneDrive, and when I click on that, I will be able to edit it just as normal in the browser. All the information that I had before is there, and I can just come into that and continue to work on my list or whatever it is that you are working on. So that's how you would open something from the server. If you want to replace it in the server, then once you're finished working on it, it will auto-save. So if you go back to your folder, what you then need to do is click on the three dots and you're going to download it. That will then open in your download. You can see that little message has popped up that that's done. If I click on the folder, that will open my folder for me. You can see there it is. And then what I'm going to do with that is just drag it back into the place in the server and replace the existing one. So here's the server document. If I open up my downloads folder at the same time, here it is. Let me just move that so you can see them both side by side. Into my downloads, click and drag, you'll see the copy to Gala Hill appears, and then I'm going to replace the file.